It is Sunday. I was supposed to leave for XGames tomorrow. I'm working on my XGames bike, and I'm still working on my trick that I'm gonna do at XGames. So maybe I'll leave a little bit later. Maybe tomorrow night. Maybe Tuesday morning. Hopefully sometime before Wednesday afternoon, because the event is Thursday afternoon, evening. So I gotta get there by then.
So this is the XGames bike getting put together here. On Sunday night, we got Wacker over here. It's wrenching for Chuck, helping get the wheel back together.
Oh yeah.
Got Radical Rob sitting in as crew chief. JRowe is a designated drinker.
I switched over to Mountain Dew tonight.
Oh, dude.
You didn't really go along with the whole plan there, Jason.
No, I gave up halfway through.
Black triple clamps, black bars. What up? A black gas tank. Yeah. Who's got black gas tanks?
They got the various tube selection from Maxxix over here.
Oh yeah. We got a 19er, and we got a 21. And they're heavy duty, so I don't pinch them. Different kinds of tires.
The XGames tire selection.
I don't know the difference. They look different.
What do you expect for the dirt for XGames?
Thinking it's gonna be dry. It's gonna be dry, and it's gonna be
maybe slippery.
So we're gonna go with the Maxxix something tire.